y'all, I'm Izzy Frank with Seeds to Success, the Louisiana Farm to School program. Welcome back to our video series, Sustainable School and Home Gardening. In this video, we'll be discussing garden maintenance over the summer break. Many school garden teachers find themselves in a predicament at the end of each school year when their garden is in full production, but school is closing for the summer. Instead of committing a fellow teacher, volunteer, or custodian to tend to the garden during the hottest months, we suggest that classrooms put their gardens to bed before leaving for the summer. In doing so, everyone gets to enjoy their well-earned summer break. The best part is that when you come back in the fall, the garden will already be prepped for planting. Today, we're going to talk about 2 options for putting the garden to bed over summer break. We also have a quick guide with the same information, as well as a 3rd option for cover cropping your garden. Click the link in the description to check out that guide. No matter which option works best for you, they all begin with removing plants from the garden. Any plants you wish to keep, like shrubs or perennials, should be moved into pots or excluded from these treatments. Option 1 is called occultation, or hidden from light. Cover the soil completely with a dark barrier to prevent weed growth. Good choices for this would be a water-permeable landscape fabric or a few layers of cardboard. We cannot allow any light to reach the soil. Once you have your barrier in place, make sure to secure it with sandbags, some stakes, or some big rocks. If you experienced issues with pests or disease in your garden, summer is a great time to use our second method, which is solarization. This is when one uses a clear plastic to eliminate weeds, pests, and disease from the garden. After removing plants, turn the first 6 to 8 inches of the soil to break up large clumps. Then water the beds thoroughly. A day or 2 after watering the bed, add a clear plastic cover to the garden and fit tightly over the soil. The Louisiana sunlight will essentially heat the bed and kill pests and weeds after 6 weeks. Your gardens are now tucked in for the summer. Now let's talk about what to do when you get back in the fall. Start by removing the fabric, cardboard, or clear plastic. If using clear plastic, remove and let the soil cool off for a few days. Lastly, top the beds up with fresh media and compost, fertilize and incorporate. And now, you're ready to plant. That's it for this episode of Sustainable School and Home Gardening. We hope this helps you take care of your garden over the summer break. Don't forget to go watch our other videos on our channel and have a great summer.